Hello and welcome to Parasoft Selenic. Today, I'll guide you through the process of installing and setting up your Eclipse IDE to use Selenic. Before we dive in, make sure you've already downloaded Selenic and have it unzipped on your system. If you haven't done so, please pause this video and complete this step first before proceeding. Throughout this guide, you'll learn how to install Selenic into Eclipse and then activate your license. So let's go ahead and get started. To install Selenic into your Eclipse IDE, click on the Help menu option, then select Install New Software. In the dialog, click on the Add button, then select Archive. In the File Browser dialog, locate the Selenic plugin zip in your file system. It can be found in the Unzip Selenic directory, then in the Eclipse directory. Select the plugin zip, then click Open. Next, select Add. The plugin will be added to the Available Software dialog. Expand the item for the Selenic plugin and check the box for the first child item, Parasoft Selenic. You can optionally also check the box for TestNG, but that requires that you already have the TestNG Eclipse plugin installed. You can leave the TestNG item unchecked for now. Click Next. Continue by following the instructions for the remaining steps to install the Selenic plugin into Eclipse. The Parasoft plugin will ask you to accept the license agreement in order to continue. Once installed, you'll need to restart Eclipse. Great, now we're ready to move on to the activation process. To activate your free desktop license, go to Parasoft Preferences by clicking on the Parasoft menu option, then select Preferences. In the Settings dialog, expand the arrow next to Parasoft. Here we find several options where preferences can be set for Selenic. Next, expand the arrow next to License, and then select Activation Code. To activate your license, you'll need an activation code. This code should have been sent to you via email. If you haven't received your activation code yet, please reach out to Parasoft first before continuing. Assuming you have your activation code ready, let's proceed to activate the license. Fill in your information. Be sure to use the same email address your activation code was delivered to. A valid email and activation code pair is required to activate the free license. If any issues occur when redeeming the activation code, please contact Parasoft. Click Apply and Close to close the dialog box, and then you're all set. Your initial setup is done, and you have activated your Selenic Free Edition desktop license. Thanks for watching.